Say hello to your new SMP aftercare kit. Listen, if you're still sending your clients home with just a piece of paper and a good luck, you're leaving results and referrals on the table. Today, I'm putting you onto 3 Hustle Butter products I personally use and send home with every client. Why? Because they work, they're clean, they keep my work looking on point, and they make my clients feel taken care of. First up, Hustle Bubbles. Look, your client just dropped good money on some SMP work and now they're about to go home and wash their scalp with dish soap? Nah, this is a gentle foaming cleanser designed to clean the skin without drying it out. No harsh ingredients, no nonsense, just a smooth, hydrating cleanse that keeps their scalp feeling fresh. It's made with aloe leaf juice, witch hazel extract, and green tea extract known for keeping skin happy and hydrated. Daily use during the healing phase, this is what you want them using in the shower. Now, this right here, this is the OG Hustle Butter Tattoo Balm. This is my go-to aftercare recommendation right after any session. It's petroleum-free, lightweight, and loaded with ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil that help leave the skin soft, moisturized, and looking clean. No greasy mess, no weird smell, just a smooth balm that absorbs fast and helps your work shine literally and figuratively. When my clients use this, they feel taken care of, like I gave them premium service from start to finish. And that's the goal, right? Last but definitely not least, the Hustle Butter Revitalizing Stick. This little thing is a game changer for long-term maintenance. Once that initial healing phase is over, this is what keeps their SMP hydrated and looking vibrant. It's TSA friendly, pocket sized, and super easy for clients to swipe on every day. Made from sunflower extract, shea butter, and coconut oil, it gives that healthy, fresh look to your work long after the session is done. Let's be real, results matter, but aftercare makes and breaks how those results last. You can do the cleanest impression and perfect hairline, but if your client goes home and doesn't take care of it the right way, that fades fast, literally. These 3 products aren't just extras, they're part of the experience. They reflect your professionalism, they protect your artistry, and more importantly, they make clients feel like they've gotten more than a service, they got a system. So if you're ready to level up your SMP game and lock in better results and better retention, make sure you're stocking up on Hustle Butter. Give your clients the tools to take care of your work. They'll notice the difference, and trust me, so will you, because real never fades.